Some guys are making a mistake. Work with them.
Asawa ko, gustong-gusto niya yung magluto ng, ipagluto daw niya ako mga loves ng steak at saka crabs. Hindi ko alam kung anong yung mga pinagagawa niya sa buhay. Sabi pa niya, nag-garden ka naman, busy-busy ka, so ipagluto kita. Sabi ko, how about you? Sabi pa niya, ako lang daw yun para mag-surf and turf. Ano surf and turf? Hindi, ginoo ko yung asawa ko. So ngayon, tinutulungan ko siya. So, sabi niya, kakain ka nito ha. So kakain na lang ako. Kasi nilabas niya sa nilabas niya sa freezer. So wala na akong choice kundi kainin. Sabi ko, ikaw kakain sa isa kasi grabe naman, steak at ito. Mahirap magpapayat mga darling. Wala akong choice mga loves kasi nilabas na niya ito. At wala na talaga akong magawa. Look, steak. Nagulat na lang ako sa plano niya.
Some guys are making a mistake. Go with my wife's crab leg. You all eat, she's a crab.
What are you doing? It's fine. Ang ganda ng panahon. Asan man yung nagluluto dito? Nawala man. Ay, andun lang pala. I need to get tomato, you know. A potato, not
We
tomato.
need to grow a lot of tomatoes so we can make homemade tomato sauce.
That's not my plan for this year, but
A lot of tomatoes.
serious.
Lettuce.
What? And?
Lettuce.
No, that's not the plan.
What's the plan?
String beans and tomato and cucumber
And?
and eggplant
And?
and kangkong, Filipino.
Who?
Kangkong.
The hell's kangkong?
It's a Filipino leafy thing.
Sound like a town in Mexico, Cancun.
Fire is good.
We like fire.
Fun.
We like fire.
Don't play with fire. No, eh? Okay, thank you for the dinner. Okay. Okay, thank you.
All good.
You have this stick, okay?
I don't want steak.
You have. You have the burnt part, okay? This is what hubby does. He doesn't love me much. And you're so good, honey. You're so good, darling. Yes, it is, honey. Please,
No,
just
no.
I'm gonna have the wrist and you can have this. Okay? This is yours.
Seriously, I don't want it.
Please,
You understand? I don't want it.
okay, fine. No, ay, mahimo man jud ning away. Ay, I really appreciate love. Oh my God, this stick is so good. Han, it's so good.
I mean, you could try and get a little piece of butter, but
Right. Steak, mga loves. Roxy will eat it. Han, the steak is really perfect, Han.
see that?
Oh my goodness, honey. Why am I eating this one and not you?
Really, why that? The train.
So I copied it, I exported them all, put them on another drive, not realizing that I copied it down to 30 and 8. I'm like, this is weird, why is it so inconsistent? And then after I finished copying, I saw the name of the file, and then it had a hyphen copy. I'm like, oh, now I know what to do. And stuff. Yeah, I've spent 4.5 hours there. All good though.
Yes. Hey, don't forget Tuesday.
Is there anything wrong?
You need a Zoom recorder, okay? No, I thought you said they upped the 8. I thought you said they upped the 5 to 8.
No, no. amount last week. Oh, now we want 15 mics. I know we told you 5.
That's right. You could have built another 500 change.
Yeah, well, 15 mics, 100 a mic. That's right there is almost $2,000 a mic.
I thought you said 125.
Yeah, I just did 100 to round it to 1,500, and then another 50 times 1,500.
Yep.
Well, it's 70.
Really?
I'm having a problem trying to fight the ticket because I responded with proof that I wasn't in front of it. I guess I got an auto response saying that they received
That's the problem right now.
an app, and I can't get a hold of them. I'm just gonna have to pay it now, 107, because it's in progress.
Yeah, they
No,
don't
it's
do...
not in progress. You keep on every 90 days they're adding $65 to it. And I can't even call. I like in the old days where you call, you'll talk to someone, and they'll. I mean, who knows if they're even getting emails? You know, I get an auto response saying they received it. Doesn't mean anyone read it.
No, now you got to take off from work and go to court. And sit there
I
for...
can't even schedule a court
And
date.
sit there for
It
8
passed
hours.
already. Court date passed because I did it online. I put my evidence through online. Anything. They just said they received my evidence. And now that it's 90 days past due, I think it went up $55. It was originally 115. Now it's 170. So whatever the difference is, 55, I guess. Yeah. So in another 45 days or whatever, it goes up another $55. I might just pay it. It's not worth it. Just for me to go to the city. If I did actually park in front of it, I would have paid it. My fault, but I didn't. Every time I go to the film forum, there's cars there in that spot all the time. No tickets.
Yeah, they don't care. At one time, I got a ticket to work with them.
Aggravating. When I saw that ticket online, I was like, just so they added to it, and they can't even respond. You know, they could give anyone a ticket because they don't care. Those Indians that walk around and just
Exactly right. I got a ticket.
Okay.
Years ago, I got a ticket in Manhattan while I was in Washington receipt.
Mag-isa na naman si Inday Mary-Ann. So ngayon, mag-isa siya at lonely, no? At kaya nagmuni-muni siya sandali doon. So ang ating vlog for today is day in a life. Charot, day in a life. Patama ba yun? Basta yun. Samahan nyo na lang ako sa pinagagawa ko doon sa labas. Itong gagawin ko is talagang panglalaki po ito. Pero talagang nakasanayan na ako na talaga yung mag-widwalk. No? Kahit nakakapagod at talagang pamaol ang labas nito. Ang daming damo dito, so kaya kailangan linisin lang. At sabi pa nila masarap daw yung buhay sa abroad. Totoo naman talaga, yun, masarap talaga yung buhay sa ibang bansa. Pero ito mga loves ha, dala-dala ko pa yung mga nakasanayan ko talaga na talagang mabigat na gawain, dala-dala ko hanggang ngayon. Yung mga kapatid ko, yes, naandun sila sa Pilipinas, pero for sure, hindi nila naranasan ulit ito ng ganito yung marang pangbukid na gawain. Tapos na akong nag-widwalk sa sa harap ng bahay, and yun, winiwidwalk ko doon kasi kailangan. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi tawag nito, ang dami ding lumilipad-lipad eh. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi nagmamadali si Inday, alas 12 na. And yun. So dito na lang at saka doon sa likuran talaga. Pagkatapos nito mga labs, ilagay ko na yung nabili namin ni Tami na gapangan ng ating string beans. Mama's not done yet, huh? Are you guys happy? Let me see. Are you guys happy? Are you happy, guys? Sa vlog na ito, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung buong araw kong gawain, mga loves. Hindi man totally lahat kasi nga pinutol-putol ko. Pero yun, ito po yung mga ginagawa ko. Entero, adlaw. At yun, itong sako na ito, sasabihin ko sa inyo, ang bigat-bigat. At talagang yung kamay ko, as in sabi ko, nilagay ko na lahat ng lakas ko dito. Ang bigat niya, promise. Grabe. Doon ko sana ito nilalagay ang lupa doon sa kauna kong bagong nating garden, no, yung bed na ginagawa natin, garden bed. Kaso sabi ko, kailangan kong magtanim na kasi nga maganda na yung panahon at maganda ngayong mag-start ng leafy veggies, no, mga salad, mga kangkong. So kaya napagdesisyonan ko, dito ko siya ilalagay yung ating 3 sako. Talagang 3 sako ang nakalagay dito. At yun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, patay tayo nito kasi nga ang dami ko pang kailangang sako na kailangang ilagay sa ating garden kasi gusto ko mga fresh na soil ang ilalagay ko every year. Ang hirap kayang mag-garden, mga loves, at saka also magasto din. So ang ginagawa ko po dito is naglagay ako ng soil sa ating kaong, no, o kaong baya, basta ganun. Nilalagyan ko siya ng soil para sa ating seedling. Ang plano kong ilagay na seedling is ang litos kasi request ni Tami na kailangang may litos. And also nag-try din ako ng broccoli kasi talagang gustong gusto ko yung broccoli. Last year kasi hindi gumagana, so this year itry ko ulit. At yung kangkong, mga loves, is hindi ko na po siya talaga nilalagay sa yung parang sidling-sidling na ganito. Diniretso ko na po siya sa lupa at ako na, just like last year, diniretso ko siya at maganda naman po yung tubo. So ito po yung gagawin natin. Kangkong, mga loves. Magtanim tayo ng kangkong. So ang gagawin ko is anuhin natin siya. Hindi ko na siya itawag ito. Isidling na. Kung sa Bisaya pa, isabuwag ko lang siya. And also, I have to make sure na, mga loves, na may mga area na talagang nalagyan ko ng kangkong at may area kung i-check ko kung dapat ba nagtapok ba sila ba, no? Nasa isang lugar lang. So, kaya kailangan ko talagang tignan. At pagkatapos po nito, ang ginagawa ko po is tinabunan ko siya po ng lupa. Kaya nagkaskas ako kanina. Kaskas ba yun? Basta tinabi ko yung ibang lupa and then ibalik ko doon sa ibabaw, no? Para naman matabunan. Kasi po, ang mga ibon po dito talaga is magkalkal. Ito yung naobserbahan ko sa ibon dito is sobra sila, mga loves. At pang ilang bisis na ako ditong nagtanim ng mga kahit ano-anong liso like string beans, sitaw, ay kinakain ng ibon. So kaya kailangan ko silang protektahan. So this time, kailangan ko lagyan ng net, no, and then tabunan, and then pagkatapos niya, lagyan natin ng tubig para naman tumubo ng madali kasi tubig lang talaga yung katapat nila at gustong gusto nila yung basa palagi yung kanilang kung nasaan sila. So yun lang yung ginagawa ni Inday Miriam. So with killer po ito, mga loves, ini-sprayhan ko lang po yung mga talagang sagbot, yung mga ano, no, damo na kailangan talagang hindi dapat doon. At bumalik ako nagpunta ako sa loob ng bahay kasi nagutom si Inday, no. So yun, mga loves, dito tapos na, nawidwak na natin. So ang gagawin ni Inday Miriam is So ngayon, dito muna tayo mga loves. Hindi na ako mag-continue doon sa yung bubuyog. Wasp. Hindi pala yung bubuyog. Delikado. Okay. Ito yung before. Then pakita ko sa inyo after mga darling. Nag-stop muna ako doon sa likuran kasi wala na akong magawa. Tapos na ako doon pero wala na akong soil na ilagay. So wala na. So bukas na I think. Ngayon sana ako aalis. Magpunta doon bibili ng lupa. Kaso gusto kong itapusin itong aking mga pinagagawa-gawa dito, no. Look, maganda na siya, no, kapag may mga tanim, magtubo na yung mga tanim, no. Pero walang tanim, ano siya, upaw. Ito na yun siya mga loves. Kaso, hindi ko natapos ang buong pathway natin, no. Kasi nga, sobrang pagod na yung katawan ni Inday Marian. Umaga pa ako nag-start. And then, na ngayon, alas 4:30. Doon pa ako nag-stop talaga. So, kaya, sa kabila lang yung natapos ko. Bukas na naman yung sa kabila. Kung hindi masyadong uulan bukas. So, yun siya mga loves. Maganda ang panahon ngayon. Kaso talaga, ang katawan ko is talagang binubugbog. Parang feeling ko talaga binubugbog yung sako na inaalsa-alsa ko kanina. Yun, pagod ako. Thank you for watching.